We want to solve the inequality x minus the square root of x plus 5 is less than or equal to 1. To solve this, we're going to set this equal instead. So we have x minus square root of x plus 5 equal 1. And then we're going to solve for x. So I'm going to subtract 1 and then add the square root of x plus 5. From here I'm going to square both sides. And then subtract both sides by x and 5. Okay, then we can factor this out into x minus 4, x plus 1. We use zero product property. X minus 4 is 0 when x is 4. X plus 1 is 0 when x is negative 1. So now we're going to draw a number line with negative 1 and 4. Note that the equation here has a square root, and this is only defined when x is greater than or equal to negative 5. Otherwise, we'll be taking a square root of a negative, and we're not allowed to do that. So I'm going to put a border here at negative 5. So I'm going to pick a number between negative 5 and negative 1. We can pick negative 5, honestly. That's fine. So if you plug it in to the original, you have negative 5 minus the square root of negative 5 plus 5. That's going to be 0 inside here. If you have negative 5, is that less than or equal to 1? The answer is yes. So we want to include this region. Now we're going to pick a number between negative 1 and 4. Let's say 0. And plug it in. So if 0 minus the square root of 5, which is negative square root of 5, is that less than or equal to 1? Yes. So we want to include it. Now we pick a number greater than 4, let's say 5. Or actually, let's pick 4. Let's pick 9. Or 11. Yeah, let's pick 11. So we have 11 minus the square root of 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5 is 16. The square root of 16 is 4. 11 minus 4 is 7. Is that less than or equal to 1? No. So we're not going to include it. And notice that it's less than or equal to, so at negative 1 and 4 it's equal to, so we want to include it. So the final answer will be the interval from negative 5 to 4, and we're going to include those endpoints.